Multiple work orders can be created for each department in your company, and each work order contains a list of sequences of work that needs to be done in that department to manufacture your products. And scheduling information can be entered into each sequence of work to create detailed scheduling in the scheduling area of the system, where all of the sequences of work from all of the work orders can be summarized by department and by run date. Or you could just use the basic scheduling in the system to summarize work orders by the start date entered at the work order level. You can create a new work order by clicking the New Work Order button, or you can navigate to a work order by clicking the small square button to the left of the work order ID. Right now I'll navigate to this work order by clicking this button. You can navigate to the scheduling view for work order sequences by clicking the scheduling button, and then you can navigate back to the work order view by clicking the work order tab or button. And then by clicking the expand window size button in the lower right hand corner of the work order window, it will expand the window to be a larger window for easier data entry. And then this window will include both work order details and scheduling details. But we will go into more details about scheduling in another training movie. So now I'll just click the reduce window size button in the lower right hand corner to get back to the work order view. And you can add a new sequence of work to the work order by clicking the new sequence button. This will give it the next sequential ID in the sort order, and then for this sequence I'll choose filling. And in the work order detail view, it has fields for both work order specific information and job specific information, where it has the work order status, the start date, work order title, and then it has the job run quantity and a job note, which are job specific information and will appear on all work orders for this job. And for the sequence details, you could enter as many lines of details as you need, and it will all summarize onto the printed work order by clicking the Print Work Order button on the Work Order submenu. And you could also insert a document into this graphic field, and FileMaker accepts just about any kind of document. It could be a PDF or a Word document, or you could also insert a graphic into here, into this field, and then you can click the View button and you can view that graphic if it may be a diagram or just a. And you could also even insert a movie, a QuickTime movie or AVI file for detailed information on manufacturing steps for the work order. And then you could return back to the work order by clicking the Return to Work Order button.